English conversation. Friends meeting. Conversation 1.
Hi, how are you today?
Pretty fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you going?
I'm going to the library.
So see you later. I've finished an extra class. I want to go home and have a rest now.
Bye.
Conversation 2.
Good morning, Jennifer.
Good morning, Susan.
How's your life?
Surviving, thanks.
Where are you going?
I am going to supermarket.
That's great. I'm going there too. Let's go.
Conversation 3.
Hi, Jessica.
Hi, Mary. How are you doing?
Not so well. I've come down with flu.
I'm sorry to hear that. Take care.
Thank you.
Common English sentence patterns. Listen and repeat the following common English sentence patterns. For each sentence, you have 5 seconds to repeat. Hi, Mary. How are you today? How are you? How are things with you? How are you doing? Fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Great, and you? I'm doing fine. Not very bad, thank you. Not so well. Nothing special. How's everything? How's everything going? How are things? How's your life? What's the lastest? I can't complain too much. Surviving, thanks. Not bad. Not so good. Same as ever. Same old, same old. What are you doing these days? What's the hurry? Why are you in a hurry? Where are you going? What is going on? What's up? I've heard that you are ill. How is it going today?
Okay, that is the end of our video. Please watch the video many times until you can speak quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.